start with a quick mock news sting. Hello, hello! This is John with a tiny class in big voice notes. In the next 5 minutes, I'll give you 3 ready-to-record 8 to 12-second scripts and a couple of production tricks so your clips sound warm, clear, and safe to share.
Quick frame. Kindness first. Before you hit record, ask yourself, will this make the group feel better or start trouble? If there's any doubt, leave out full names and exact locations. Also, if you want to send something to our show, we've got an official WhatsApp and web form open for short clips. You can send 8 to 12 seconds and stay anonymous if you want.
Script 1 is for family check-ins. I'll give a romanized Urdu opener so you can copy the rhythm. Say slowly with a soft smile. Salam, sab theek? Bas ye batana tha ki main theek hoon aur kal milte hain. That's about 10 seconds if you take your time. Remember, soft smile equals warmer tone. For privacy, don't say full names or precise addresses. Say someone or home instead of a house number.
Now, script 2, a short work or group update in English. Try, quick update. I've sent the files. Check them when you can. I'll follow up at 3. Keep sentences short. Leave a 1 to 2 second pause between phrases so listeners can process. Delivery tip, speak slightly slower than normal and make small pauses. For a fast fix on your phone, open the clip, tap trim, pull off a noisy start or end, and save a copy. 2 taps and you're done.
Hi, I'm Farah. Quick note about today's neighborhood story.
2 quick, simple recording habits that save many bad clips. 1. Check ambient noise for 3 seconds before you start. Listen for traffic, TV, or loud neighbors. 2. The 2-tap trim. Open your recording, tap Edit, drag the beginning end slightly, and save a copy. We'll keep the steps low friction so everyone can do it, even if you're not techie.
Okay, practice with me. I'll say each script slowly once, pause, and you can repeat aloud. First, Salam, sab theek? Bas ye batana tha ki main theek hoon aur kal milte hain.
Now, a privacy checklist, 2 steps, quick. 1. Remove personal identifiers. No full names, no exact addresses, no workplace specifics if it could identify someone. 2. Always preview before sending. Listen once and ask, would I be okay if this played in a big group? If not, edit or send a one-line text instead. And remember, if you do include something we can't use as is, producers will anonymize or fictionalize details before airing.
If you want to send us an 8 to 12 second clip, use the official WhatsApp number or our web form. Both are open. Keep it short, omit names and locations, and label it anonymous if you prefer. We'll take care of trimming, anonymizing, and making sure your voice fits the show. No pressure. Just a quick, kind note is perfect.
One quick rehearsal. Say one line out loud now. The Romanized Urdu line, or the quick update, whatever feels easiest. Go on, say it. Good. That's the habit. Practice once, trim if needed, preview, and send. Thanks for trying this with me. I can't wait to hear your short, warm clips. All right, that's it for me. Take care and send something nice.